So Patrick, you hear an awful lot these days about orange being the new black. Tell me about this impressive looking orange brick that's sitting in front of you.
All right, thanks, Jim. Yes, this is our Series 5800 transient recorder. This is for customers of ours that are taking heaps of data, typically anything faster than, say, 200,000 samples a second per channel, that some of our other product lines can handle quite well. So this is where sample rates upwards of 10 million samples a second per channel are required. And this particular product line has a couple different features. This particular unit is a 16-channel ruggedized box. We also have non-ruggedized versions as well, but this is typically used in very transient type tests, shock tests, explosive tests, very short duration testing, and again can sample at up to 10 million samples a second, and can interface with just about every sensor out there. You have a primary input here, a mill style input, can handle strain gauges, thermocouples, voltages, what have you, and an auxiliary input for ICP, IEP inputs. It also has an analog out per channel as well.
That's pretty impressive. When you say it's ruggedized, is it just for mechanical shock and vibration, or it will also withstand other environmental conditions?
It can withstand quite a beating for other types of environmental conditions, and even for the explosive type events. We've had customers put these in specialized cases to withstand some of the brunt of the force, and also to withstand some of the environmental conditions as well.
Do you have a spec on operating temperature range?
We do. I believe it is -20 to 50 C.
And I believe from earlier conversations that you actually calibrate these through temperature so that it helps improve the accuracy? Or?
Not with these particular units. That is in our Series 7000, but
Gotcha.
The beauty of this system here is that 10 million samples a second being the maximum sample rate. You do still have 16 or even more, I think it's 16, selectable samples downward from 10 million. So you can, say, take data at 200,000 samples a second with this, and if you want to crank it up, you can get it up to 10 million samples a second.
Pretty impressive.